When productivity is in your wheelhouse, crank it up with the all-new Bron TR450 wheel trencher. With its patented cutting tooth system, hydrostatic drivetrain, and hydraulically controlled positioning, this is one wheel that truly was reinvented. The Bron TR450 is the wheel trencher that gives you high-volume excavation with a clean, level floor and stable sidewalls. With depth up to 8 feet and width up to 50 inches, the Bron TR450 digs in with unmatched productivity. Keeping the big wheel turning is Bron's hydrostatic drivetrain. As recognized hydrostatic experts, Bron harnesses the smooth, variable speed power into groundbreaking output. The TR450's oscillating undercarriage and self-leveling frame provide impressive control and stability even when working on uneven terrain. Keeping production rolling are the 3 hydraulically cushioned sabers for fast bucket cleanout. Available with either flat or round bucket profiles, the TR450's patented cutting tooth system penetrates the ground for easy, consistent breakout. Even easier is the removal and replacement of cutting teeth when needed. Both crummers and chutes connect and disconnect quickly to the trencher, even when in the trench. The TR450 conveyor system extends both to the left and right side and turns bidirectionally. Mounted to Bron's D5 undercarriage, the TR450's power unit features a Cummins QSX 15 450 horsepower engine and Bron's unique tri-core cooling system, an all-system heat exchange with a single variable speed reversing fan. The TR450 also has laser and GPS mounts for drainage applications. Inside, the Bron TR450 offers an ergonomic operator station, including controls attached to the pivoting high back seat. The air ride seat is positioned for excellent front and rear visibility. The Bron TR450 is available with a ROPS canopy or climate-controlled cab.